Good morning, Morgan. You gonna go climb the mountain today?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got a banana in your mouth. You gonna go take the tram up there?
Yay!
Yay.
It's first time to the snow.
First time to the snow. The outfit, styling.
You show off your outfit, Levy?
And show your boots.
shoes.
Show off your boots. Wow.
And now.
Yeah.
Temperature averages some 40 degrees cooler. The wildlife will change, and the trees, flowers, and shrubs will travel over 5 towers each other. All other towers and have been constructed by transporting metals and materials that various
What do you think? What do you think? Tell the camera. Cool?
We'll see.
Here we go. Hold on. Go ahead. Into the snow we go. Okay, watch out, watch out, watch out. See, it's slippery. You gotta go slow in the snow, okay? It's slippery. We're at San Jacinto, first time in the snow. Yay! Big hug. Big hug.
Whoa,
We're up here, sitting on a bench that is, the bench seat is covered. There's about, I don't know, 2 feet of snow probably. And I got some candies buried. Vern's eating some snacks. Morgan is eating some gummy bears. Yeah, it's gorgeous out here. I got a creek still flowing, and then it's frozen down there. There's really nobody up here. A couple of people. Otherwise, freaking gorgeous up here right now. Having fun, Morgan?
Yeah.
You like the snow?
Yeah.
Yeah? Have to move to the mountains now? Yeah?
Yeah, Morgan.
Gummy bears. Nice cold gummy bear. Mmm.
What's I have?
Frozen gummy bear.
Nice water.
I'm gonna have fun. Take my gloves. You take my gloves.
Oh.
I'm gonna have fun. What's happening?
Wow. Wow.
Slippery. Careful, Morgan. Slippery.
I know it. I got mine. What's my knee doing? What's my knee?
You having fun, Morgan? Snow's cool, huh? Wanna go walk out there?
Yeah. Look at me. I'm back. See? I'm back.
You're back.
You're back.
I'm gonna go be here.
We'll go play in the big snow. You can walk up there. Just bigger, heavier snow.
Over here.
You might get stuck.
Woo!
What do you think?
I got silver snow on my knee.
Mm-hmm. Are your feet nice and warm?
Yeah, they're nice and
Okay, good. do you think, cutie?
Yeah.
Don't put it on here though.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Because we're sitting here. Thank you.
I like snow. It's so nice.
Yeah, it's slippery.
You want to show your pockets?
You want to hold the camera? You want to do the video? You can hold it.
Go kiss.
Yeah.
You want a video, Dad?
Kiss. Kiss. No.
Go like that.
Say no. Say kiss. Like.
Good job.
Wow. Dad's gonna go shovel his feet full of snow real quick. Ooh. Oh. Oh. This is good, like shin deep. So cool. No, she doesn't have to come down here. I'll just. Ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna be deep right here. Here, watch. Like, we go 1, 2, 3. See, look how deep your feet go. You wanna do it again? 1, 2. So Daddy's gonna be shin deep in snow. Daddy's gonna be shin deep in snow. That's hard to get up, huh? Ready? Watch Dada. Daddy's a snow angel. And Mommy's coming. And we got Mom into coming. And Mommy's coming. No angel right here. Lay down. Lay back. Snowball fight. Snowball fight. Throw it to Daddy. Snowball fight.
Just follow my footsteps. Well, at least my shoes are getting clean.
Snowball fight. Snowball fight. Snowball fight. Snowball fight. Snowball fight.
Oh, Morgan, don't be too far.
Yeah, stay over here, please.
I got there. Okay.
Snowball fight. It didn't hurt. Throw it. Toss it. Oh.
Por ahí. Aquí estamos.
some too.
And there's no one.
Okay. Last snow. Nope.
David! Wow!
Oh!
Whoa, you did.
Ah!
I'm doing.
Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you next time.